kids have 3 hours to build this. They get about an hour to ask questions and review the plans and kind of go over their game plan, and then they have 3 hours to build the project. Some of them won't finish. They won't install every single brick on their project, but that's only one of the criteria for judging. So one of the criteria is production. There's 58 total pieces for each wall. They get 1 point for every piece they use, but that's only one component of the judging criteria. There's things like neatness and tooling. How well did they clean off their walls? Did they really smoothen the joints out really well? Is it straight? Is it level and horizontal? Did they follow the plan when they built it? So different things like that come into play. So you don't need to finish the wall to actually win the event. Well, I think competition brings out the best in all of us, and these kids go through my class and do a unit on masonry and laying brick, and this is kind of a way for them to showcase their skills, test their skills out, showcase it to their parents, me, the community, and different things like that. So I don't know, it's fun. Why they're here on their day off doing this. So I think that speaks volumes for what they're doing out there. The Sandine brothers with Sandine Masonry out of Grants Pass, who actually did some work here at Phoenix High School on some of the brick and block structures here, have just been amazing, and I couldn't have done this without them. I cold called them about 3 years ago and asked for advice and guidance on how to administer a masonry lesson, and they've been nothing but supportive with their time and materials and expertise from the start. So here they are today, once again, taking their time off to come and help administer this event.
Mine's a little messier, but this one might be a little bit taller than mine, and it looks very close to Will's, who was the champion last year.
Yeah, we'll see if I can win it again. I'm feeling pretty confident. I had some trouble cleaning off the extra mortar, so mine looks a little dirtier than that. But other than that, not too worried.
Behind this, there's a soldier course where it's bricks laying straight up, so you have to get it really neat and make sure there's no room for error. It was very stressful during the start, but once I learned we have like 3 hours, we had enough time, and I got through it. At the end, I ended with like 30 minutes left, which is pretty good.
First 5 minutes, you're like, all right, and then after that, it's like, oh, I have 3 hours, calm down a little bit, and just kind of, it's nice to be able to focus for that amount of time, just like lock in and do this one task. I like it.
I'd say the most difficult thing is the perfection. You really have to make sure you don't get any mortar like around the bricks, or like you gotta clean up your entire space, brush it down, make sure every spot is leveled.
Well, I participated last year, so last year the pressure was a little more than this year. This year I'm like more relaxed about it. I know what it's supposed to look like and everything. I'm just thinking, am I on pace? Am I putting each brick that I need to put on? And how much time do I have left to do the rest of the brick wall? Honestly, I was really excited about it. Yeah, I still am. Like, I think I did okay. But I'm super excited to have more participants this year. Last year we only had like 5 people, I think, I'm not sure. But it definitely looks like there's more people this year. I had struggled thinking about what I want to do in the future, and now I know that I want to do engineering. So yeah, I think it's a great opportunity for the kids and everybody here at Phoenix High to have construction, and there's like different levels to it too, so I think that's a great opportunity.
First of
all, nice work.
Yeah.
You exceed all expectations. Very, very well done.
1, 2, 3.